Hello friends, today I bring you top 5 best car cleaning kit review. There are many car cleaning kit on the market. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. So you do subscribe my channel. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So let's start the video. Number 1. Meguiar's G55032SP Complete Car Care Kit. The Meguiar's Complete Car Care Kit combines value, performance, and adaptability in spades. Reusable microfiber towels, foam applicator pads, and a cleaning mitt are included in the set along with premium supplies to clean and protect everything from the tires to the roof. Inside the kit you will find car wash, liquid wax, tire gel, clay bar, quick detailer, Scratch X 2.0, etc. With a packed set of clay bars that remove entrenched dirt and Scratch X 2.0 that eliminates swirls, paint preparation is a breeze. For an unmatched sheen, gold-class car wash and liquid wax combine conditioners, carnauba, and polymer waxes. It gives your car long-lasting protection and maintains the shine. Quick Interior Detailer collaborates with one of our all-time favorite specialists, Meguiar's products, to handle total cabin cleanliness. For cleaning and polishing uncoated transparent plastic surfaces like gauge covers, Plast-X is nothing short of magical. The Endurance Tire Gel offers a deep gloss finishing touch where the rubber meets the road, and the Quick Detailer acts as a lubricant for clay bars. Number 2. Chemical Guys HOL 126 14-piece Car Wash Kit. The 20-piece Arsenal Builder Kit from the Chemical Guys is the only one you need to clean, condition, preserve, and shine every surface, material, and finish on any type of vehicle. The California-based firm has a devoted fanbase because to its unique and excellent product range, and the full package includes everything from powerful cleansers to fabric coatings that repel water. The necessary tools are also included in the Arsenal Builder. Up to 4.5 gallons of soapy water are kept clean by the bucket and cyclonic dirt filter, and dirt is kept off washing mitts and microfiber towels. Waxing is made easy with the help of applicators, and the brush has a short handle for easy application and proper bristles that other brushes lack. The Foam Gun Foamy Sprayer that comes with this package is powered by a garden hose and should be enough for most uses. If not, the Chemical Guys offer pressure washer owners another kit that includes a foam cannon. It includes Butter Wet Wax, Silk Shine Dressing, Diablo Wheel Gel, Signature Glass Cleaner, Cyclone Dirt Trap, Detailing Bucket, Torque Foam Blaster Foam Gun, Short Handle Brush, Microfiber Wash Mitt, and 3 microfiber towel. Number 3. HMPLL Car Detailing Interior Cleaning Kit. There are 5 detail brushes of different sizes. There are 2 exclusive air vent brush that helps to clean dirt from vent leaves. And there are 3 wire brushes that are primarily for removing any kind of rust. The larger brushes are best suited for cleaning the exterior and wider areas of the car efficiently. The bristles are soft that can remove the dirt from the car gently to protect the area you're working on and avoid leaving scratch marks on painted surfaces. This car detailing brush set comes with solvent-resistant bristles that are suitable for any car cleaning task. Even after repeated usage, its bristles remain durable and odorless. It can be used in any dry or wet conditions. The smaller brushes can easily work their way into the nooks, cracks, corners, and tight spaces in the car. Number 4. Turtle Wax 50825 Complete Carnauba Wash and Wax Kit. The Turtle Wax Ultimate Car Care Kit is a great deal because of its inside and out product coverage, microfiber towels, foam applicators, and strong bottle of odor eliminator. Since launching the first liquid automobile wax in 1944, Turtle Wax has advanced significantly, and this reasonably priced 10-piece set features a good representation of the company's current product line. In preparation for detailing, Zip Wax vehicle washes clean surfaces and aid in preserving shine in between waxings. The paint is prepared for the contemporary take on the original hard shell finish with scratch and swirl remover. Wax and dry spray wax is just as simple to use and leaves a long-lasting shine in one motion. Odor X combats unpleasant scents at the molecular level while dash and glass cleaning and inside and out protected work together to keep the cabin clean and allow for clear views. Any detailing project benefits from a wet and black tire treatment as a timeless finishing touch. Number 5. ThinkWork Pink Car Interior Cleaning Kit. Cleaning your car's inside and exterior is simple with the 17-piece THINKWORK Auto Duster Kit. Your demands can be fully met by 5 different types of detail brushes. Coral Fleece, which has an ultra-high water absorption rate, aids in ideal dehumidification and fog removal. You may remove dirt and debris from niches and corners by using the cleaning gel. Protect your vehicle completely. Premium natural boar hair detail brushes come in 5 different sizes to suit your demands, allow you to effortlessly navigate tight spots without endangering your car, work well both wet and dry, and help you thoroughly clean and organize your beloved automobile from top to bottom. The 3 washable and reusable cleaning pads made of coral fleece, which have a water absorption rate of 400% of superfine fiber, work very well as a fog and moisture removal tool to swiftly and effectively wipe the windshield. A 180-degree rotating head can effectively remove dust and grime from hard-to-reach regions while fitting perfectly on the glass surface. I make daily helpful products videos, so you do subscribe my channel. If you need more products information or if you want to know product price, do check out description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Thank you watching my video.